Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Amelia Helidu and I want to explain about introduction and method. So, in introduction, there are what research questions or problem was addressed, and then are there any hypothesis formulated? So, the first is what research questions or problem was addressed. The questions which were answered through this study were as follows. 1. What is the students' perceptions of the difficulty of the text they read in their reading class? The second is what is the readability level of the text read by students in their reading class? And the last is there any difference between the students' perception of the difficulty of a text and the result of the readability level as being calculated using different readability formula? The second is, are there any hypothesis formulated? Yes. Another study was conducted by Sultan. The objective was to investigate textbook discovers readability among junior high school students with poor reading ability based on gender, reading interest, and family socio-economic status. The findings showed that there was a significant difference in the textbook's discourse readability among students with poor readability based on gender, reading interest, and family socio-economic. The next study was conducted by Gould, who investigated the readability level of the text on the biology units in the science textbooks prepared for the 6th grade. A total of 22 texts were randomly selected. The findings showed that the readability of the text in Unit 2 was medium, while that of the text in Unit 6 was difficult. A study conducted by Harden investigated 30 narrative and 30 expository texts at each grade level, grade 1 until 5. He compared 9 readability indices to analyze the readability level of the text. The findings showed that 6 indices, Flankenscheid, grade level, Freigrabe, species, Gunning-Fock, Dalichal, and Smoke provide a construct which is equivalent to a grade level. Next is method. In method, there are what types of research was done, and then how was the data collected and analyzed. So, first is what types of research was done. The study employed the survey, design, and content analysis. Epistemologically, the study used the interpretive approach, as it tries to interpret the data concerning the students' perception of the text difficulty and the readability levels as result from the calculations using different readability formulas. The second is how was the data collected and analyzed. There are data from the students and from the text. The data from the students were analyzed using the descriptive statistic, while the data from the text were analyzed using the readability formulas. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Tendrifada. This time I will tell about result and discussion or conclusion. First is result. Question number 1 is, what were the most important findings? The findings show that there was a difference in the students' perception of the difficulty of the text and the readability level as being calculated using different readability formulas. The study was aimed at finding the students' perceptions of the difficulty of the text, as in their reading class, and the corresponding text readability. The study utilized the survey design and the content analysis involving second semester students of the English Language Education Department of a state university. Question number 2 is, were the hypothesis supported? The hypothesis supported at second semester students of English Language Education Department of a state university. Discussion or conclusion. 1 is, what is the overall answer to the result question? The study tried to answer 3 questions. One related to the student's perception, another one related to the readability levels of the text, and one related to the difference between the student's perception of the difficulty of the text and the readability level. Question number 2. How does the author explain the result? Questionnaires were asked to get data on the student's perception of the text difficulty, and text readability was analyzed with the link. The data on students' perception were analyzed using percentage, while the data on the text readability were analyzed using the readability test. Question number 3 is, what are the implications of the result? The implication of this finding is that lecture cannot depend solely on the result of the analysis of the readability level. Some other factors need to be taken into account when selecting text to be asked in their reading class. Question number 4. Are there any important limitations? Yes, can be a difference between the student's perception of the difficulty of a text and the readability level of the text. This is because the formulas asked for calculating the readability level do not aspect within the students, such as the student's experience, their familiarity with the text or the topic of the text, their grammar mastery, and their vocabulary mastery. Question number 5. Are there any key recommendations? Yes, keyword is text difficulty and text readability.